Hi, I'm Yuto, and today on Dashi I'm going to show you how to make a quick and refreshing Wakame Seaweed salad. Let's get straight to it. First, we're going to rehydrate dried wakame, so get a bowl of water and add 5 grams of dried wakame seaweed. This is about 2 tablespoons worth. Let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, we're going to prepare 150 grams of silken tofu. You could use firm tofu if you prefer. To quickly remove the excess moisture, we're going to wrap it with kitchen paper. And microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds at 600 watts. While we wait for it to cool, let's prepare the dressing. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 tablespoon of dashi stock, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of ground sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and whisk until everything is combined. If you can't use dashi stock, just swap it for water since it's a small amount. Okay, that's all done, so now let's cut the vegetables. I'll start by thinly slicing 50 grams of cucumber. That's about half a Japanese cucumber. Japanese cucumbers are smaller and not as watery as bigger varieties, so I recommend these or Persian cucumbers for this salad. Next, we have 5 mini tomatoes, which I'm just gonna cut in half. If you're using a medium tomato, cut it into cubes instead. When those are done, throw them straight into the bowl with the dressing. By now, the tofu should have cooled enough to touch. Unwrap it and cut into cubes. Removing the excess moisture is important to ensure the dressing doesn't get watered down. You can press tofu if you prefer, but I often use this microwaving method to save time. Once it's cut, transfer it to the bowl. Next, we're going to take our rehydrated wakame and squeeze the water out. It's important to squeeze it quite thoroughly to avoid watering down the dressing. Once that's done, add it to the bowl. Gently mix it until all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Don't worry if the tofu breaks a little, this is kind unavoidable if you're using silken tofu. Finally, we're going to cover the bowl and rest it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes so it's nicely chilled before serving. I like to sprinkle it with a few bonito flakes for a finishing touch, but this is optional. And that's it, delicious, easy and refreshing wakame salad. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about this recipe, check out my blog. The link is in the description below. Have a great day.